What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and welcome to the vlog. Oh my gosh! I'm obviously walking through my house right now. I'm vlogging a weekend in my life. Today is Friday, and I thought I would get the vlog started for you guys. It is early in the morning, and I thought I would chat with you guys really quick before I have to start work. So yeah, I just finished posting a reel on my Instagram for my podcast. So check out my podcast if you haven't already. It's called We Run on Coffee Podcast with my friend Marissa, and it is so fun. So I just posted a new reel promoting our new episode called It's Fall, Y'all. And yeah, that's the update. I'm gonna work today. 8 to 4 is when I usually work. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have plans for today, but the weekends in my life are always busy, whether or not I have plans. I'm always doing something. I'm not one to just sit and relax. I should be, but I'm not. So, yes, I woke up at 5 a.m. today to take my friend Cree to the airport. So, I am tired, but I came home and took a nap, so I'm doing okay. Anyways, tomorrow I'm getting my hair done, so I'm excited. We have a lot on the agenda this weekend. It's gonna be fun. And for now, I'm gonna go work. I've been working at the table lately because I just can't bear to sit at my desk the past like week or 2 weeks. So that's what we're doing. Alright, you guys, I just finished work for the day. You have not seen any of my day because I've just been really busy. Here's a little list of what I need to get done tonight. So first, I need to have at least 5 minutes outside. I make this a goal every single day. Usually you end up staying outside more than 5 minutes once you get there, but because I work from home, I stay in a lot. And so I want to get outside. So 5 minutes outside. What we're gonna do is water the flowers. So we'll go do that together. I need to water the grass because our grass, after we installed our patio, we got grass put in and it's dying. So water the flowers, water the grass. And then I need to edit my podcast. I need to film some try-on clips for a haul, which just went up last week. So if you haven't watched it, go watch. I'm wearing one of my new outfits today and I have to film the try-on portion. So I'll do that. And I have to edit the video. That'll probably be tomorrow. And then finally, I think we might go over to Angela's mom's for a bonfire tonight. I'm hoping we do, because that sounds so nice. And I could really go for like a fire hot dog. Oh, it just hits. It just hits. So let's get going. I've changed like 3 times, but here we are. Final outfit. We are going to get our hair done. I'm so excited. It is early, but I am so ready to get some fall brown in here. Let's do it.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in a wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir.
The hair is done. I am obsessed, you guys. I wish I could see it better, but I got super dark roots. These are my natural, like, this is my natural color on the roots, but she just kind of pulled it down even further. and I am so obsessed. It's perfect for fall. It's so cute and so soft. If you guys know, when you leave the salon, so soft. So now we're headed off to Trader Joe's. I love when we finish before noon. It's rare, but it's only 11:17, so I feel like I have the whole day ahead of me still, which is really exciting. So like I said, I'm about to head over to Trader Joe's and pick up some snacks for my podcast. I don't know if I told you guys, but we're doing an episode where we're taste testing the fall snacks at Trader Joe's. So I need to go pick those up because we are filming that episode, or recording that episode, tomorrow. And I gotta be ready. Marissa already got her snacks, so I'm behind. But now we're off to Trader Joe's, and then we'll have lunch, and the whole day's ahead of us. I'm so excited, you guys.
So I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong.
Picked up the groceries. I'm here. Angela's here. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
And I'm about to do the Trader Joe's haul and show you guys and Angelo everything I got to taste test on the pod. So first was just because I wanted it today. My Mary Green 100% juice smoothie. And then I also got, look babe, eucalyptus for the shower.
Woo.
I'm gonna show you guys how I put this in the shower. Okay, first snack to taste test is apple cinnamon bun crumb topped Danish pastries with apple filling and cinnamon. A little Danish. I actually thought it was a cinnamon roll with apple, but that makes sense. Apple cider donuts, spiced cider, cinnamon roll blondies. And it doesn't have dairy, so I can make it dairy free. I'm super excited about these, you guys, but these require work. Oh, a classic. I've had this before. But Marissa got it, so that made me want to have it too. The brown sugar oat creamer. Cinnamon bun spread. Ghost and Bats crispy potato snacks. Look, they look like little ghosts with eyes. And they're just like crispy potato chips.
They look weird.
They do look kind of weird, but they look kind of good. Can you guys see them? They look like little ghosts in the house. They're cute! So that's my Trader Joe's haul, you guys, and listen to the episode when it comes out in a few weeks. I'm so excited. And now we gotta put away the groceries and have lunch.
Used to be, I'm not living at 17. Let's go.
So I went for an easy lunch, so just butter noodles. I'm gonna show you guys now how I get the eucalyptus ready to put in the shower, because there's a couple small steps. If you want your shower to smell like a spa, then I recommend this. The eucalyptus bundles are $3.99 at Trader Joe's, which I feel like is so cheap. So I just leave it tied together how they gave it to me, and then you just gotta kind of break the leaves. So you can use like a rolling pin, or you can use your hands to kind of like smush it. I'm gonna use a wine bottle and just roll it on there a little bit to smush the leaves a little so the scent comes out, and then you can take the plastic off and hang it in the shower. And then when you shower with hot water, it kind of steams up and it smells really good. So we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna put it in the shower. So we have on our shower head already just like a rubber band that I leave up there so that I can just slide this into the rubber band, and then it hangs perfectly. So I'm just gonna hook it in there, and that is literally it, you guys. And now when we shower with hot water, it's gonna smell so good, like eucalyptus. It literally smells like a spa. So this is what it looks like. It's perfect. Time for day day.
10 feet away, she's like a primrose.
Sure.
You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be. And maybe it's a good thing, a good thing. Got a good thing coming, it's a good thing. That we're not who we used to be.
Did you get it? Nice. Flopping in the dirt. Good job.
Sometimes I'm alone. I wish that you lived closer. Maybe then I feel alright. Sometimes I get strong.
What is up, up, everybody? Welcome back to the We Run on Coffee podcast with your hosts, Marissa and Arika. We are so excited for today's episode. Like, we cannot wait. We're screaming, crying, throwing up. We've been pushing this off for a while.
Be myself when you come close.
Good morning. Happy Sunday, y'all. You just saw me film my podcast episode where we tried all of the snacks I got from Trader Joe's yesterday, and it was a lot of fun. So definitely subscribe to my podcast if you haven't. And that episode will be coming soon, but I am just thinking about what I'm going to do today. And I thought I might take on a little project. It'd be fun to show you guys. So I think I'm going to paint some trim. I will show you. So as you can see, the trim here is black. That is the new painted trim. And then here, we don't have any trim on the edges yet because I painted it, but Angela just has to hang it. And the trim here is, it's hard to tell, but it's a different color white than our walls. So we painted our walls the whitest white you can get. And so now this cream looks really dingy and bad. The goal was always to paint it black, but it's just taken some time. So I'm thinking like, maybe we do it today and I'll film it. And yeah, so I just need to take off this door and get started. I'm thinking we're gonna do it. So let's get to it.
I wish that you lived closer. Maybe then I feel alright. Sometimes I get strung out trying to be myself. When you come close, I feel alive. Maybe that's a good thing.
So good, you guys. Okay, so I've been painting for the last 4 hours straight. I haven't stopped. I'm so tired, but I'm thinking about grinding and just finishing it. But you guys, that looks so much better. Let me show you. I have one coat on everything. So the hallway, closet, and at the bottom, I did the bottom as well. The office, not the bathroom yet, because we haven't even painted the bathroom, and then the bedroom frame. So you can see everything. Oh my god, it looks so good. Everything looks really good. It's just taken so long, mostly because if you can see how beautiful the edge is, I've been doing the edges by hand instead of taping. That's because we've done most of this house with taping and it looks bad. It looks really, really bad if I'm being honest. And even if I have a little slip up here or there, my hand work looks much better than any of the stuff that we did with tape. So that's why I've been doing the edges, and I think that's why it's taking so long, but all that's left to do is a second coat, and then tomorrow we could put the doors back on. So this is a weekend in my life vlog, but if we put the doors back on tomorrow, I'll throw that clip in here as well. But I think let's just keep grinding. Oh my god!